In this video guide, we will look at the process of installing the ZoogVPN app using a DMG file. Step 1. Install the application, open the Downloads folder, and double-click on the installer file. In the window that appears, drag the ZoogVPN icon to the Applications folder. Proceed to the Applications folder in Finder and double-click on the ZoogVPN icon to launch the application. If a system warning about the application downloaded from the internet appears, click Open. Step 2. Allow network extensions. After launching, you will be asked to add VPN configurations. Click OK. Initiate the connection by clicking on the power button in the center. The program will display the Setup ZoogVPN window. Click the Open System Settings button. Step 3. Configuring system permissions. This is a critical step for the protocols to work correctly. In the Settings window, navigate to the Login Items and Extension section. In the list, activate Toggle the switches for all ZoogVPN components. WireGuard Shadow. Open VPN. For each switch, the system will ask you to enter your Mac administrator password for confirmation. After activating all items, click Done. Step 4. Selecting a location and connecting, return to the ZoogVPN application window. Select the desired country from the list. Click the large power button in the center. Wait a few seconds for the status to change from connecting to protected. That's it, you're all set, and the app is ready to use.